Now I'm looking at this post from Free Culture on Facebook. You can see it says stylish printed and graphic t-shirts for men. Go check them out now. Now initially I want to say that I was really impressed. I was really impressed because the designs that Free Culture offers, they are not commonly available. You check out the market, say in Delhi, even Sarojini, for example, it may be considered cheap or whatever, LS as some people say, but the fact is that you get a lot of variety, and even there, you won't find this kind of variety. So initially, I was quite impressed, but one thing I want to say, when I kind of looked at the fine print, what I understood is that they only print the front. So the back of the T-shirt is plain white. You can confirm the same on their website. Here it is, freeculture.com. So you can go there and check them out. So that's a very, very big disappointment, and that's something which I've even commented on. You can see that that's all fine, but your idea for one side or front side printing only is ridiculous. Absolutely, because that's something I truly feel it is ridiculous. And at the same price or less, dual side printed t-shirts, which is absolutely true. If you check them out, you'll find that similar priced or even lesser priced t-shirts, you'll find that they are printed on both sides, because it just looks so bad, plain Jane from the back. If you're wearing a nice t-shirt, you want it to look good from both sides. And to give you an example, I travel extensively to Thailand, and in Bangkok, you get such wonderful t-shirts at really, really, low prices. Like even with the baht being almost double to a rupee, yet when you say end up paying 100, 200 baht for a t-shirt, you're effectively paying 200, 400 rupees, which is nothing, and which is comparable to the prices which Free Culture's offering, and yet it's only one-sided. Now, more than that, I want to point out, I was quite shocked to read, other feedback from, people who also posted on this, commented on this post. Like you can see this guy, pathetic quality, please don't buy. Another one saying, no, very bad quality of printing. I agree, I did the mistake of buying, will never buy again from Free Culture. Don't buy. I bought and the quality is substandard. I gave it away to someone, Faltu, or Bais Jamai Fudu, whatever, never buy. Not that exactly. I too made a purchase from Free Culture. Coming to this quality, it's up to the mark. It has size issues. Pics here, and the quality after delivery is a totally different scene. Please check your quality of work. You have quality issues and can't survive in the market. So, the way to the faltu whatever. So, generally the picture that emerges is that Free Culture is offering very poor quality. Maybe what I'm guessing is, maybe the material of the t-shirts is not very good, combined with the fact that the print quality itself, unless the print quality is good, it's not sustainable. So that these are things which Free Culture really needs to look into if it is to sustain itself. That's the point which I wanted to make in this video, because otherwise, I'm telling you, I really like the designs. They're very innovative. You can go check them out yourself on freeculture.com. I have not seen those designs so commonly available. And see, on the internet, it makes it much easier. People can make a variety of designs. Like I've seen, they have a lot of designers. Probably they are not in-house, they are freelance designers or whatever. But the fact is that, they have such a large variety of designs. My feedback would be that make sure quality is not compromised, number one. And number two, that it has to be dual side printing. You can't have this one-sided printing and then expect that people will patronize your t-shirts in a big way. I don't think that'll happen. So that's the bottom line. Cheers and thanks for watching.